Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It is Sandra. It is I. We are starting fresh on a Monday morning, and I am opening my Jeans Agenda Black Friday sale haul, you guys. It is December 16th. I just got it today. I heard the mail in the States has been crazy. Well, we have no mail service here in Canada. So I got this through ShipC. So it's a third-party shipping outside of Canada Post. And it still didn't get here until December 16th. And usually it's a lot quicker than that. So I know that I think the mail service everywhere is jam-packed because it's Christmas season and everybody's sending parcels and presents and tons of stuff. So that's okay. So now that I have it, I'm going to be setting up my business planner today. That video will follow shortly. It's towards the end of December. But for now, I'm going to show you what I got in my haul. I'm going to pull everything out and then we'll talk about it. All right, you guys. So now there was a lot of upset and confusion around the mystery kits that they had. I think it was a limit of 2 per person, and most people didn't get one, or like they tried, but they sell so quickly that you cannot get them. I did limit myself. I knew what I wanted. I limited myself to 1 of each kit. I got a paperclip mystery kit. I got an accessory mystery kit. And then I also got the half letter unpunched mystery kit. They were still selling them at that point. If you guys don't know or aren't aware, Jeans Agenda did have half letter and A5 unpunched. Well, I'm not sure if A5 were unpunched or if they were 6-ring. I don't know. But the half letter were unpunched dashboards and vellums and stuff. And now, going forth for January, they will no longer be selling half letter unpunched. Their half letter from now on is going to be disc punched, which means it turns into a junior size disc punch planner size. So without trying to limit all the confusion, all they're going to offer going forward are disc punched sizes for planners. So that being said, I'm like, okay, well, I'm going to continue for now because my work planner is disc punched. It's a junior half letter size. And so I'm going to see what new goodies come into the shop. It's hard for me though because I won't be able to use any of the disc punched. Like if it was like a home insert, I can't use that for my work planner. So I'm going to just kind of see what they come out with in the next few months and go from there. But for now, for this haul, let's start with the discs. So I ended up, I wanted the original bronze color, or they were the original copper discs, and I did not get them in time. I talked myself out of buying them, and then I wanted them so bad, I ended up getting the rose copper, which are not my favorite. I didn't want anything to do with pink because I already have the rosé. And then I also have the rose gold. And so I didn't want to have anything rose, but I really wanted the copper. So I was like, well, I don't think they're going to get the original copper back in that they had. So I'm just going to suck it up and get the rose copper. And these are going to go really pretty with the nori wrap, I'm hoping. The green one, because that's the one I wanted to use. Maybe, let's see, because I did end up getting a cover as well. So there's the discs. So that's the first thing that I got. And then I also got the freebie. So this is an elastic to keep your planner closed. It fits any size, except I'm not sure if it fits the letter size, but it's it probably will. It's a Velcro strap, and then you can adjust the size for your planner. So it's like a band. I don't know if I'll use it because I don't know if I want that on my planner, but I mean, you never know. But that's what I got there. I got the thank you card for Cyber Week. And then I got the little month cards. So these were, you had to purchase them last year when they were selling them. And this year she decided to give them away for free. And so you get the entire year for 2025. So I'm going to put these probably at the front of my planner, but that's those. And then I guess because they're right here, let's go through the paper clips. I think these are adorable, you guys, and I love this little pouch that they came into. So the one I was specifically looking for Christmas, of course, because Christmas is we're almost there, right? It's the 16th today, was the Christmas tree one. So I'm going to use this in my planner right now. show you guys that before I let you go. I also got the one that looks like a heart. I can't remember what box this is from, but it came in one of the boxes. I have got one of the rose black paper clips. I did have this subscription box. I also have a few of these too, but these are cute. The little heart, it's a gold one. Another gold one. This is cute as well, like a little arrow. I love that. This is a little square paper clip. A little triangle black one. This is also a type of triangle, but it's raised a little bit. It's kind of cute. Then you've got a circle one. This is rose gold. And then lastly, the bike one. I think this came out in spring sometime. Aren't those so cute? I love them. So I'm not sure if they're all going to fit in here. I have a feeling there's going to be some in the accessory kit too. I'll just put them in there for now. Okay, so now I'm going to save the accessory kits for last because like the mystery ones are exciting. So I only got one dashboard. I didn't go crazy with the dashboards because I do have quite a few already. I have, I've purchased them in past hauls. I've got a lot of the ones that went on sale. The only one that really, really drew my attention, like the vellums aren't really for me, but the ballerina. I was obsessed. I was like, I need the ballerina in my life. So I got the ballerina, and this one does come disc punched. And then for the wrap that I got, okay, so the rouge color just isn't for me, but I love the blush one. I wanted to get the blush when it first came out, but I ended up getting the snap one instead. So now I have the wrap and the snap. I wish I'd just gotten the wrap to begin with, but at the time my son was like, I had asked my son, I was like, which one should I get? And he's like, Mom, you should get both. And I'm like, well, I can't really afford both right now. And he's like, okay, then just get the snap one. So, but now I have the pink one, and I don't know if I want to use this one for January or if I want to go with the nori green with these these colored discs. I think the champagne discs are beautiful too. So I'm not quite sure. I'm currently using the champagne discs in my current setup. So I think what I'll do is use these ones with the nori wrap for January, and then February we'll move into this one. But this is so pretty, and I'm so glad I have it. And I think January is like cover, like the subscription box is going to go so good with that one. Okay, you guys, let's get into the good stuff. I don't know which one to do first. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do the accessories kit. Ooh. Oh, you guys. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of goodies. We've got one of these. So this is the third one I now have because I've gotten mystery kits in the past, and I seem to keep getting these in my mystery kits. So this is a planner band, and I can use this on my junior size, and it's meant to be a pen holder. So you can put pens in here, and then you can put it around your planner and keep your planner closed. So that's what that is. That came in a subscription box. I've got a couple of quote cards. So we've got We Cannot Become What We Want by Remaining Where We Are by Max Dupree, A Bibliophobia, The Fear of Running Out of Reading Material, and Not the Ordinary Type. Those are so cute. Okay, then I've got some clips. So I've got this one. This was in a subscription box 1 year. I have a couple of those. I love these ones. Like these binder clips, they look like skeletons. I love these. I use them all the time to hold my planners open when I'm like planning and when I'm filming. I got this eraser. This came in November's box with the pencil crayons and the stickers as well. I believe this came in November. These are not kiss cut, so maybe I'll give these to my daughter. It just sucks because you got to cut them out because they did not come kiss cut like they should have been. Okay, then I have this banner. This says Hello Gorgeous. I think this is my second one of these now. I've got these stickers. These came from the, oh, I want to say August box. They were the one with the greenery and the when the Nori wrap first came out. These are really pretty. I'll probably use those in summer sometime. Okay, and then this, can't remember when this came out, but it's a memorandum notepad. Can't remember if it's sticky or not. I do already have one. Yeah, it's a sticky notepad. So you can put the topic and the action items and when they're due and the priority and notes. I think that is so cute. Okay, and then I've got 2 sticky notes. I always need more sticky notes. I've just noticed I'm running out. So this one, I have this one already, but actually no, I had it. I ran out of this one because I used it all up. The some of them are like more my favorite than others, if that makes any sense. And I this one wasn't my favorite because I didn't love the pattern on the back because I felt like it was so dark to write on. But the one thing I like about Jane's Agenda sticky notes is that they are very thick. And then, you know, it's just something nice to write on. But as you can see here, I'm getting quite a collection. I have this little it's getting dusty. My little holder for the wooden box holder, and I've got all my sticky notes in here. I've got some from Jane's Agenda, but I've even got still some from Cloth and Paper. And then I also have one from what I can't remember which one was from. Yeah, this is the Coffee Monster Co. This one's the Coffee Monster Co. And then this one is Once More with Love. But the rest of them are Jane's Agenda and Cloth and Paper. Okay, then I have another one of these I'm grateful for. These, I ended up getting a lot of them because I got the wrong subscription kit and it was an accident on Jane's Agenda's part. So they ended up sending me a double. So I actually have like 4 of these right now, but they come in a 2-pack. So now I have a whole bunch. So one says thank you for, one says I'm grateful for. Okay. And then this little guy, so here's another flower clip. I've got 2 more of these. So I had one in the mystery kit there. Oh, 2 flower clips, sorry. Another heart clip, another one of these gold heart clips, and then a circle rose gold. Okay, so we'll put those in there. They probably won't all fit. And the last thing that came in the pack was another pack of this washi. So this is the washi that came in Christmas last year, I want to say. So the last year or November, I can't remember. Or December or November. And I have been using this currently in my little washi tape case. I'll show you right here, right down there at the bottom. So I have another one of these. It should be good. I you know what? I don't mind this. It's kind of cute. It's been growing on me. Okay, and now for the half letter size mystery kit. So these were size specific, which meant that they could put dashboards and covers in there. And I got another eraser. I like this because there's also a bag in here, so I'm going to put some stuff in this bag. Okay, you guys. Wow, look at all the stuff. Another pack of sticky notes. Oh my gosh. Actually, I love this. So I got quote cards for winter. I don't have this one. This says Happy Holidays. I'm going to add this to my Christmas stash, like my planner setup right now. And I believe I had these 2. Let It Snow and Merry. I'm going to see though. And those are from recent. And then I got some more paper clips. I got another Christmas tree, another heart. And then these 2. These are new. I think I still have something similar though. I know they came from a subscription box. So you get a black circle and this is a copper one. That's pretty. Okay. So I get another eraser, more sticky notes. So they're the same sticky notes I just opened, you guys. I don't think I'll run out for a while now. Okay, so some more of the flower ones. Now I've got lots. Okay, this is a bookmark. I believe I have 3 or 4 of these by now. This one didn't seem very popular. Not many people bought it. So what they'll do is if there's any subscription kits left over, they'll keep them in the shop, and then for people to buy them, then they discount them, I believe. And then if nobody buys them, they start putting them in the mystery kits. So unfortunately, this one I don't think was very popular. But it's like the leopard print, I want to call it. It almost looks like fire. It doesn't even look like leopard, but. And then I also got another one of these. So these are the hybrid dashboards. And again, I got half letter unpunched, so mine doesn't come punched, but I do have a lavender punch. I've got the big one, the really heavy duty one. And they punch through like the plastic dashboard covers like in an instant. Like they're so good. There we go. Okay, and then that one doesn't, it's not shiny, so it doesn't have the plastic cover. It's just like material, but maybe one day I'll use these. We'll see. Okay, and then we have some tip-ins. I've got the Daily Essential. I can't remember what these look like. Let's see. Okay, so the priority tasks I'm grateful for. And then you've got grid on the back. So those are cute. Okay, and then I've got this one here. This is the flower dashboard. I can't remember when this came. I don't remember when this one was released. Okay, but you've got 2 different ones. So this side is like the alcohol ink, and then you've got this side. Okay, and then I've got my covers here. So this is where that lavender punch really comes in handy if I wanted to use it for that. I believe this came was it this year? It was October or November. I don't remember which one, but these are the half letter. So they're not quite as wide as the junior. The junior come a little bit wider and are a little bit heavier, and these are just, well, maybe they're the weight. I don't know. These are pretty thick. But anyway, yeah, those came in October or November this year. And then the very last thing that I got was this one. I wanted this one so bad. I was hoping that I would get this. This is so pretty. I don't have this one. This is the one with the city. It looks like, like Greece or something. And it's on the hilltop and the water is right there. And it's double on both sides. Isn't that so pretty? Oh, you guys, I think I got spoiled. There's so many goodies here. So that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be using some of these products to set up my new planner for January. So I hope you watched that video as well. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are new, I would love if you would consider subscribing. Click on the bell button to be reminded when I post new videos, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye.